In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up next actions in Todoist using the Getting Things Done method, or GTD for short. Whether you're working from home, in the office, or juggling a mix of activities, establishing a next actions list can help streamline your tasks and boost your productivity. Let's dive in. First, if you haven't already, log into your Todoist account using either your browser or the desktop app. This provides the foundation for everything we're about to set up. Once you're in, the next step is to create a dedicated space for your next actions. On the sidebar, locate and click on the plus add project button. This feature allows you to create a new project folder. Name this project Next Actions. This will become your go-to list for all tasks that you can accomplish right away. Optionally, you can organize your next actions list by adding sections. This is particularly useful if you want to separate tasks based on context such as at home, at work, at calls, or errands. Click on Add Section to create these context-specific lists within your Next Actions project. This way you can quickly identify what needs to be done depending on where you are or what tools you have available. Now let's proceed to capturing tasks. This step involves adding actionable tasks directly to your Next Actions project. It's important to ensure these tasks are specific and follow the principles of GTD. Remember, the more specific your task, the easier it is to act on it. So instead of writing something vague like bank issue, specify it as call the bank to ask about account fees. This small adjustment drastically improves clarity and makes it easier to tackle the task without hesitation. As you continue to add tasks, you might have some that are of higher priority. This is where the use of priority flags becomes invaluable. You can mark urgent tasks with high priority flags such as P1. This visual cue helps in focusing on what needs immediate attention. Alongside priority flags, consider assigning due dates to tasks that have specific deadlines. This ensures you stay ahead and manage your time efficiently. To further refine your task management, utilize labels. These labels act as a tagging system for your tasks. Create labels such as at home, at work, at computer, or at phone, depending on where or how you typically tackle different tasks. Adding relevant labels to each task provides another layer of categorization, making it easier to filter and access all related tasks in one go. And there you have it, a system to organize and track your next actions in Todoist. The GTD method is all about identifying actionable tasks and categorizing them effectively. With this setup, you'll be better prepared to face whatever's next on your to-do list. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.